Guys, I swear I wanted to do better than this, but it's just too hot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. I'm Akriti, and in today's video you are going to see something completely different. I'm sure you have never seen such video from my channel at least. So let me explain what we are doing today. Okay, so I'm sure you must have seen a bunch of videos floating on YouTube on the topic of I tried following this person's makeup tutorial. And I know this was quite trending and it has already died now, like almost everybody has done it. But I was just thinking, how can I do it which is a little different from the way others have done it. So I thought of copying someone's everyday makeup tutorial for a week. Yes, you heard it right, for a week. And then I started thinking, whose makeup tutorial should I really follow? And then Lucy Hale. Yes, Lucy Hale came to my mind. So there's this video of Lucy Hale where she is explaining her everyday makeup essentials, and I love her makeup in that video. So fresh, so natural, her bushy eyebrows, chiseled cheekbones, and I was like, oh, this is going to be interesting because our features just don't match. I don't have bushy eyebrows, I don't have chiseled cheekbones, I don't have anything similar to her, and I still chose her. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Also, I challenge you guys to copy someone's everyday makeup look for a week and come back to this video and leave your experience, because mine went downhill really quickly. So I want to know how you guys feel about this. Okay, let's start now. So let's start with eyebrows, because apart from her beautifully flawless skin, I think she has the most beautiful, defined, thick, luscious eyebrows. In order to achieve her perfect eyebrow look, I'm going to start by tweezing my stray hairs first. Okay, so this is the best I could do. I don't want to overdo it and then have nothing to work with. I also have to do something to make my eyebrows stay in place, and that's going to be a challenge, I can already tell. So first I'm going to give my eyebrows a little bit of arch. She definitely has the most beautiful defined structure eyebrows, and I don't. So I have 3 eyebrow pencils with me right here. So the first one is the lightest one, the second one is medium, I mean it gives you definition a little better than this one, and the last one is the darkest one. So I'm going to start with the darkest one and give myself a little bit of shape at the bottom of my eyebrow. Oh my god, that's definitely way too dark, but we will make this work. I'm moving on with the medium colored eyebrow pencil. I'm going to fill in the middle region of my eyebrow. Now with the lightest one of the bunch, I'm going to fill in the outer section. So I think we are done with this eyebrow. I'm quickly going to do this one and be right back. So I'm back, and this one definitely looks more arched than the other. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of concealer and define this a little bit more. Okay, lastly, to set my eyebrows in place, because if you have been watching my channel, you would know that my eyebrows can never stay in place. I do my makeup in the beginning of the video, and by the end of the video my eyebrows are already drooping down. I don't know why that happens, but it happens. So I'm going to do a little bit of soap technique. So I have a transparent soap right here. I'm just going to, wet my brush, do a little bit of scribbling and brush it through my eyebrow. And this way it will definitely stay in place. I don't know how people are going to react on me having this thick eyebrow for a week and then just having this similar eyebrow that I have. Oh no, what would they even think? Because there's no way I can continue doing this eyebrow for more than 6 days. But anyways, I think we are done with the eyebrows. Now moving on to the eyes. She has this beautiful, I don't know, it's not really a winged eyeliner because I don't think she has used any liquid eyeliner or gel eyeliner. It's more like a kohl pencil, but she has extended it as a wing in this video. So that's what I'm going to try to do. There's no tutorial as such for this, so I'm just going to roll with my own makeup skills, you know. So for the eyes, I'm first going to prime my eyes. Oh my god, so many steps already. We are not even halfway through this. I know I look crazy right now, but trust me, this will look good at the end. Now I'm just going to set this concealer with a powder. Her eyes definitely do not look this flat. She does seem to have a little bit of definition in her crease. So what I'm going to do is take this shade from this palette. This is Makeup Revolution I Had Chocolate palette, and this is the most subtle crease color I have in my collection, and this looks very natural. So I'm just going to pick up that shade on a blending brush and just define my crease a little bit. Now moving on to the eyeliner, which is the most tricky part of this look. So if you see her eye makeup closely, she doesn't seem to have applied anything on the inner third of her eyes, and it starts from here, which is the outer third. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just taking my Rock the Line Kajal from Nykaa, and I'm just going to scribble it over here. Now I'm just going to take a brush like this, an angled brush, and I'm going to extend it to make it look like a winged eyeliner. So this turned out to be a major fail. I thought I'll just make the wing with the eyeshadow, but it's not working out. So I'll have to go back to the kajal, and I don't know what to do. Like, she has the most natural looking flick ever. So I guess I'm just extending it a little. Yeah, maybe that way. And now going back with black eyeshadow again, I'm just going to run it over that. Okay, so I've finished my makeup, and now comes the second most tricky part of this look, which is the bronzer slash contour. Now if you have observed, she has the most lifted cheekbones ever, so beautiful, and I definitely don't. So now for me, when I do my makeup, my contour or bronzer, it generally is just here. But from the video, I can see that she has applied it more over here as opposed to here. So I guess I'm going to copy that. I might look very funny because I've never seen that on myself, or I've never done that before. So let's give it a shot. If it doesn't look good, I'm just going to switch back to my regular contour slash bronzer routine. I guess it's not looking that bad. In fact, it's looking more structured and defined. So I'm going to do the same thing this side. Now this side is a little tricky because I mean, I'm sure you can tell my face is not symmetrical. This is more defined, this side is more defined, and this is not. So bronzer and contour just looks choppy on this side. But let's see what happens on this side. So I guess I'm done with the face makeup. I'm quickly going to finish the eyes. So she just has this top wing or flick connected to her bottom lash line, and I'm just going to do that. So now coming to lips, she has a very beautiful nude going on. So I'm going to use my NYX Lingerie in the shade Seduction. This is a beautiful nude on me. Now nude is a little bit tricky because it's different for different people, different skin tones. So I'm just going to stick to this instead of copying the exact same type of nude she has. There we go, we are done with the makeup look. The face makeup, my bronzer, the lipstick and everything looks quite similar, but eyes are definitely not looking similar. And I have realized what is the mistake that I did. I should definitely go more closer to my lash line as opposed to doing it a little bit thicker like this. So, and I'm sure I'll be better from tomorrow. Yeah, so far I love this look. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Can I just say how obsessed I am with this look, especially this part with the eyebrow and the eyes. I don't know why I never tried this smudged eyeliner look, but this is beautiful. And my bronzer as well. Like, this way of doing my bronzer for my face shape is amazing. So far so good. I'm just scared that I'm going to get super oily super quickly because I haven't set my T-zone that well, but yeah. Second day was the most challenging day of all the days. If you don't already know, or if you're new to my channel, let me tell you that I work in morning shift. So I'm sure nobody wants to follow a particular look in the morning. Well, my mornings are just like simple BB cream, mascara, lipstick, and that's all, and of course my eyebrows. So it was quite difficult. Firstly, I almost forgot that I have to wake up early to do all of these steps and to achieve this makeup look. So that was the first challenge, and then I somehow did wake up and I just did not want to do the whole thing. It was so difficult, but I still managed to do it, and I'm not sure how it looked really. The first day, the day when I tried it for the first time, I'm sure that it looked very nice because I spent a lot of time to achieve the look. The second day, I'm sure that it did not look that well, but I just went with it. Also, I was quite conscious of my bronzer. I rarely apply heavy bronzer. So when I was in my cab, I was just checking out if my bronzer is looking heavy, if I'm looking overboard or not, if my eyebrows are looking heavy. I was quite conscious the second day. One thing though, nobody really noticed I looked different, my eyebrows looked different, nothing at all, which was nice. I was like, oh wow, like I am looking pretty much natural, I guess, and that's why nobody noticed. So second day was a challenge, but did I enjoy it? Yes, I did, because it was a good change from my normal mascara lipstick day. Okay, so I'm freaking out a little bit right now because it's 6:30 in the morning and I definitely woke up late. I tracked my cab and I guess he's gonna be here. The driver's gonna be here in 5 minutes, so I definitely don't have time to do the entire look today. So I guess I'll have to skip. Let's see what happens, but I'm definitely sure I cannot do this look in 5 minutes. So yeah. Guess what? My driver was late, so I could manage to do this look third day, and we succeeded. So this is how my makeup is looking like right now. As you can see, this side the wing has completely worn off, but this side it's still a little intact. My eyebrows are still intact. Overall my makeup is pretty okay. But today morning I was wondering, why do I not do such kind of eye makeup on a daily basis? And I guess this is why, because you know, wings made out of eyeshadow or just very light wings don't last that long. So there we go. But I guess I'm gonna try to do something different from tomorrow. In a sense, I'll try to do something different so that it lasts better. Now this is the day I wanted to do something different because I realized that my liner was not lasting that well. So this particular day I tried doing it with a liner instead of a cold pencil, and I pretty much followed the same step, which is just lining with a liner and then smudging it. And the effect that I got with liner was definitely better than kajal/kohl, so I was pretty happy with that. Also, I noticed that it lasted better than cold pencil. So if you do want to follow this look, I don't know, who knows, you might want to. I definitely suggest that you use a liner rather than a cold pencil. Okay, so after this is when everything started going downhill, and this felt more like a burden. Like in the beginning I was really enjoying it, even though it was more of a challenge, it was a task. I did enjoy it in the beginning because it was a good change, but after like 3 to 4 days, it just, I don't know, I got quite bored of it. Now this particular day, I did this look only to finish this whole 7-thing challenge. I was just like, hey, like I have done it so far, why not just finish it and just be done with it? But turns out that next day I just got so frustrated. I did a different look with my eyes especially. I did a brown smudged eye look, which made me so happy that particular day. Let me tell you, I was like, wow, finally a change, finally something different. I was so happy, and that's what I've realized by following or by doing this challenge. I really love makeup. I mean, of course I do, but what I realized is that I like to experiment even on an everyday basis. I do agree that most of the days my makeup is all about mascara and lipstick and just base like BB cream or something like that, but I do kind of like to experiment with kajal on some days, brown smudgy look on some days, nude lipstick on some days, pearl lipstick on some days. So yeah, I'm actually happy that I followed this look for a week, and this really kind of opened my eyes. And I respect makeup. I do, because I've understood how much it really helps you express yourself for that particular day. So what I want you guys to do is follow this, or not just this, any makeup look for a week for that matter, and let me know how you feel. I want to see how you feel, because I'm sure I'm not the only one who underwent all of this. I'm sure you guys will also feel this if you love makeup just like me. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful. I really enjoyed filming this. It was quite different. Let me know if you guys want more of unique. I mean, it's not really unique because it's a challenge, but if you want these kind of videos, then let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.